Good morning, world! Wow, look at the sky. It's early morning and it's, I don't know if you see, it shows 9:59. Oh no! I forgot to switch my watch. It's actually 8:59. And yeah, good morning to you all. And this is my morning face. So it's actually Saturday, and you won't believe it. This is the second time I'm waking up today. The first time was at 7 o'clock because on Saturdays Vitaly has this morning practice. So I'm a very, very good fiance. I wake up at 7 o'clock with him just to make his breakfast. Learn from me, girls. This is relationship goals. So yeah, and then when he went off, I just slipped into bed for another half an hour just to sleep a little bit, just watch some YouTube, relax, and now I'm up and I have around 2 or 2.5 hours until he comes back. And my plan for these hours is to do morning workout, and today I am doing cardio cycling. So I will do my workout. I will most probably call my mom because we haven't met each other for a while. I've been calling her on the simple phone, but now I want to make a video call so that she can see that I'm all right, I'm eating, I'm not skinny and I look normal. Nothing bad is happening with me here. You know, moms. And yeah, I intend to show you a little bit of my usual breakfast. That's kind of become one of my favorite breakfasts since I came here. And of course, shower. As today is Saturday, it's shopping day, so we are going to Lagoon Store Center, if I'm pronouncing it correctly, and we are going to buy some groceries for the next week. So in this COVID pandemic situation, this means going out. So most probably I will put a little makeup on at least once a week. I should do that. Let's start with workout. Watching some Netflix, and Kosha does the chill part. Kosha, 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 Kosha. Oh, cute cat.
Yeah.
Oof, that was a very good 50 minutes of cycling, and now I am doing a little finisher. I'm trying to do that almost every day if it's possible, and it takes around, I don't know, 5 minutes, depends on the morning vibes I have. So basically I'm trying to do at least 50 push-ups, but I'm not doing them in one chunk because I'm not so strong, obviously, and I'm also doing them from my knees. Usually I do it 20, stop, 15, stop, 15, and that's it. Or maybe if I feel stronger that morning, I can do 25 and 25, but it depends. The last thing I've been doing every day, except my rest days, is plank. Simple plank, and I am holding for 1.5 minutes. And I've been doing that for almost a month. Once I feel I'm very confident with a plank that can be done in 1.5 minutes, I will probably try to push myself and do 2 or 2.5 minutes. That's just my morning must do: 50 push-ups and 1.5 minute plank. And this is what I will be doing right now. that's it. And yeah, just wanted to add that all in all, this finisher, my push-ups and plank took me 4.5 minutes. So it's very quick, and I'm allowing you to take this one and try out for yourselves. Maybe this will improve your morning routine too. An idea. Breakfast time! Let's do this. Let's eat something tasty. Kosha, are you joining me? Oh! She's also going to join me. She's so lazy since she came to Norway. Now, this is going to be my breakfast. I have some rolled oats, around 30 grams, not more. Actually, I ran out of my rolled oats, so I added a little bit of this. Don't know what it is. Looks something like, I don't know, buckwheat flakes or something like that. I can understand that it's gluten-free and ecological, so good stuff. And we need 1 egg. Actually, we need only egg whites. I will show you what I will be doing, and this actually makes my breakfast, oh my god, you will see that. So a little bit of cinnamon. Then besides my oats, I will also have a little bowl of fruit. I will have some red grapefruit, 1 clementine, and half of a banana. And when the porridge is ready, I will add couple of spoons of vanilla yogurt. This is my favorite one because I will open it for you. Second. So it's like true vanilla with all of these dark spots that are vanilla, and it's really natural taste. And my last discovery from the local shops is this ecological 99.4% peanut butter. So yeah, that is going to be my breakfast. And this is it. The oatmeal is actually very fluffy, that makes it so tasty and enjoyable. Peanut butter, yogurt, some fruit, coffee, and this is a very good kickstart of a great day. And today is definitely going to be a great day. Kosha, am I right? Koshechka. Yep, she agrees.
Basically, that's what she's been doing all day, every day. Oop. She doesn't even respond to that. Kosha.
Today I'm pretty excited. I am going to use these Kabseh spices that I got from Dubai from my friend Dina. Hi Dina! And I'm worried if I will succeed in the dish that is supposed to be cooked with this one.
this is it for today. This is one day in my life in Norway. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, press the notification bell, and of course like the video. And on my way to shopping center, I decided that in my next videos I will be providing a very useful information and tips about how to save your money while doing grocery shopping in Norway. So stay tuned and see you next time.